Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is my 11th lecture of the topic determinant. Students, when you are writing the notes in your book, please don't do the mistake. Okay, in previous class we studied what is singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Okay, in today's class we also discuss theorem and example depend on it. Okay, let us start fourth one theorem. A square matrix A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. What is non-singular matrix? If it is a square matrix and determinant of A is not equals to 0, is nothing but non-singular matrix. And I told in theorem number 1 to prove this, A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. How I prove this theorem? If you multiply A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into identity matrix. What I did there? Multiply and divided by A inverse and determinant of A, will get this formula. Okay, and the reason I told adjoint of a matrix is used to find inverse of a matrix. Yes, and this formula is important. Okay, yes, the reason I told you to find the adjoint of a matrix is used to find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, and I told singular matrix and what is non-singular matrix. If you know these two definitions, singular and non-singular, you can solve the problem. Depend on this. Okay, let us start example. If A is equals to 2 minus 2, 4, 3, then you have to find the inverse. To find inverse, what I want to find first? I want to find determinant of A and adjoint of A. Yes, first you have to find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equals to multiply diagonal elements and subtract remaining two elements. Before you have to write this matrix in terms of determinant. 2 minus 2, 4 and 3. Okay, then cross multiply. 3 2 is 6 minus of 4 2 is minus 8. What will get? Minus of minus plus 6 plus 8 is 6 plus 8 is 14 will get. Okay, then you have to find the adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A? First you have to find the cofactor and then you have to transpose of that matrix. You will get the adjoint of matrix. Yes, first you have to find the cofactor. A11. To find A11, delete first column and first row. What will get? This is a minor of A11. Then how to find cofactor? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into 3. What will get? Minus 1 to the power 2 is 1 into 3. Will get 3. Yes. Then cofactor of A12. Delete first row, second column. This is minor of A12. Then cofactor of A12 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 into 4. Will get minus 4. Yes. Then cofactor of A21. Delete second row, first column. What will get? Minus 2 will get. This is minor of A21. But cofactor of A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. is 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 into minus 2 will get plus 2. Okay, then cofactor of a to 2, delete second row second column, what will get 2, minor of 2 is 2, then cofactor of 2 is again plus 2. Then adjoint of a matrix is can be written as is equals to, you have to write in terms of row changes to column, a11, a12, a13 and a14. Yes, a11 is 3, a12 is minus 4, a21 is 2 and a22 is 2. Okay, then you have to find the A inverse. Yes, I know the formula. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by adjoint of determinant of A into adjoint of A. Substitute that values. 1 divided by determinant of A is equals to what? 14 into adjoint of A is, you write this matrix. This is nothing but A inverse. Are you understood how to find this one? A inverse, find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, then take this one as homework. Same procedure you can apply and you find out this solution. Okay, let us start next one example, and that is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, let A is equals to 1 2 3 0 2 4 0 0 5. We have determinant of A is equals to, what will get? If you expand along first column, it is very easy to find, but I am short here and expanding along the first row. 1 into 10 minus 0, 5 2 is 10, 0 into 4, 0 will get, minus 2 into 0 into any number will get 0. If you delete this column and row, will get 0 into 0, 0 into 4, 0 will get. Then plus 3 into delete this column and delete this row, will get 0 into 0, 0, minus 0 into 2, 0. Okay, will get 10. 1 into 10, 10 will get. Now to find the inverse, you have to find first cofactor and adjoint of A. To find adjoint of A, you have to find first cofactor of particular element. Okay, to find cofactor of A11, what will get? Delete first column, first row, 5 2 is 10 minus 0 means what will get? 10. Then cofactor of A12, delete second column, first row, 0 minus, why I am taken minus 1 to the power 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, no, that's why I am taken here minus. 0 minus 0, 0 into minus 0, 1 will get 0. Okay, then A13, delete first row, third column, again will get here 0 and minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4, plus will get. Okay, next cofactor of A21, delete second row, first column, 5 2 is 10, why I am taken minus here? Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus, that's why I am taken here minus. Minus of 10 minus 0 is that, here that implies minus 10 will get. Okay, minus 10 it is. Then A22, delete second column, second row, 5 1s are 5, minus 0 into 3, 0, 5 will get. And 822 is what? 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1, that implies 5 will get. Then A23, delete second row, third column, 0 into 1, 0, minus 0 into 2, 0, that implies 0 will get. Similarly A31, delete third row, first column, what will get? 4 2 is 8, minus 3 2 is 6, that implies 2 will get, and 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1, that implies 2 only itself. Then A32, delete third row, second column, what will get, and I am taken negative sign, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 to the power 5 is minus, yes, then 4 ones are 4, minus 0, we will get minus 4. Then A33, cofactor of A33, delete third row, third column, will get 2 ones are 2, minus 0 into 2, 0 means 2 will get. Then you have to find the adjoint of A. Yes, adjoint of A is equals to, you have to convert this first row as column, we will get adjoint of A. 10, see here, 10, 0, 0 and 0. I am converting here rows changes to column. Then here this second row changes to second column, minus 10, 5, then here 0. Okay. Then third row changes to third column. See, 2 here, minus 4 here, and third elements are 2. Okay. Then you have to substitute that values into this formula to get the inverse of the matrix. A inverse is equals to, I know the formula, we know that A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A is equals to, determinant of A is equals to 10, 1 divided by 10 into this matrix, will get the solution. Are you understood? You must know how to find the co-minor and cofactor, that is important here to solve this question. Okay, and second one example will be the for your homework. Yes, please write in your book. Okay, thank you students.